have heard of BeReal, the photo sharing app that is growing in popularity across the world. But do you know why it's so popular? Once I get the notification to BeReal, I only have 2 minutes to take the picture, which means I don't have time to plan or pose or add any kind of filters. This makes it feel more authentic than any other platforms. What's not so good though is feeling pressured to post whenever I get a notification. What if it happens when I'm at school or in work and I'm not allowed to be looking at my phone? I don't like feeling like I've missed out. Now that I've posted, I can see what my friends are up to and they can see me. It looks like someone's taken a screenshot of my picture. At least I can see who it was and make sure I'm okay with them having that photo. But I do have to share my BeReal to other social media platforms to find out who did it. That's a bit annoying. Once I've uploaded my picture, all I can do is scroll and see what everyone else's daily photo is, including people who live miles away from me. It's really cool to see what all of my friends from around the world are doing at the same moment in time, but it does mean I can sometimes see friends hanging out without me, which isn't a great feeling. There is no private messaging function on this app, so I don't have to worry about strangers or bullies trying to talk to me. But if something did happen that made me upset, there are no privacy features, no parental controls, and no blocking abilities to make me feel safer. I guess that's everything. Whenever I've seen everyone's BeReals, I can close the app and not waste hours and hours on it, unlike some other apps out there. Although, I do get anxious about missing a notification and my photo being labelled as late. Some people can judge you for that, or retaking a bad photo. I don't want anyone to think that I'm not being real. If you want to find out more about BeReal or other social media apps, as well as how to stay safe while using them, check out our website and these links to find out more.